welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. This is the second video on my 2009 Jeep Wrangler, and like I said in my first video, I do want to do something about the black plastics that have turned grey. Now also I would like to point out I do live in the Northern Territories of Australia where it's 35 degrees Celsius the whole year round, so the plastics do take a lot of abuse. Now I've looked online and there's quite a few products available, most of which are just trim restorers, which are a silicone based product, and in this climate they do tend to only last 1 to 2 weeks maximum. Now the one product that stood out to me was this one here, which is a Bowden's own Mr. Black. And from what I can tell this is more of a black stain to the plastics whilst also being a protector. So this will actually colour the plastics that darker black and protect them, which should give you a lot longer in the sun. So in this video we'll take the car outside, I'll show you what it looks like in the daylight. As a bit of a before video, we'll bring it back into the garage because we have to put this on in the shade. We'll do some tests on the car and then I'll go ahead, finish the whole car off and show you what it looks like after with a bit of a conclusion. Let's get started. Here's the car before we go ahead and do the treatment. As you can see, the black plastics are now grey compared to the black bumper. And that's pretty much every black plastic on the car, including the door handles. The worst for me is actually the back bumper, or the rear bumper, which has actually gone to a light grey. And the strangest part is, it's actually the same colour underneath the spare wheel as well, so I expected that to retain some of its original colour. So that tells me it's probably more the heat than the direct sunlight that's actually turning out that colour. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes when we do the Mr. Black. But let's get her in the garage and start putting it on. In the garage now, I just wanted to show you some of the things we need to have. So get yourself some nice rubber gloves just to stop it staining your skin. Obviously the bottle of Bowden's own Mr. Black. Just a sponge to apply it on, and then a microfiber cloth which will actually help us get any excess off the paintwork. For the sake of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and tape a line on there just so we can compare what it looks like before and after. So the bottle does actually have the instructions on the back, so make sure you read through all of those in your own time. But basically it tells you to clean and prepare the surface. So I have used a pressure washer and also a detergent to get rid of any oils or grease. And we're then going to get our foam applicator or sponge, put a couple of drops on there, and we're just going to work it in small circles. Now it does also tell you to go back over the area 2 to 3 minutes later as well, and then making sure you've got your microfiber cloth to hand to wipe off any Mr. Black that's actually gone onto your paintwork. So far so good, that looks pretty amazing. I'm going to leave this to dry a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and take the tape off as well. Wow, can really see the difference. Here we go. So I've got to say, I'm actually way more impressed than I thought I would be. It looks absolutely amazing, and that is just one coat, and it's been drying for about 10 minutes. Now it does say that you've got to leave it for about 12 hours before you go out in the rain, and it is a little bit tacky at the moment. So I would also do that, maybe leave it overnight and then you can go out. So I'm going to continue on with the rest of the car now, but I will just show you a test spot on the back bumper, which was probably the worst part of the car. So here's the rear bumper, which, as I said earlier, was the worst part on the car. Now there are actually still some minor streaks in there, but I believe the second coat may actually fix them up. I've done the boot hinges as well and they look absolutely fantastic. So let's finish the car off. And here we have the car with only one treatment on, and it already looks absolutely fantastic. There are a few minor patches just where I've missed it rather than the treatment not actually covering it. And as you may remember, my rear bumper was pretty much grey and it is now a lovely shade of black. And there we go, that concludes my video review on Bowden's own Mr. Black Trim Restorer. Now I do admit that I was quite dubious at first when I went into the shop and I see that this small 250ml bottle was actually 52 Australian dollars. However, after using it, I could not recommend this product enough. As you will have seen from the video, from just one coat it has completely transformed all of the plastics on my car. Now I am going to go ahead and do a second coat, but that's more because I've missed a few spots, as you may have seen in the video. And the other thing is, I thought I would have used the whole bottle on the car, knowing that there's a lot of plastics on the 2009 Jeep Wrangler. However, I've only actually used about a third of the bottle, so there's plenty more for future use. Well, if you found this video helpful or you liked it, please do go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you want to ask any questions about the product or ask me to do any more videos on the car. I will be making some more videos on the Jeep Wrangler, and please subscribe to my channel.